There's a lot to consider when deciding whether or not now is the right time for you to take the leap and purchase your first home. If you have the means to buy a house, it's probably a good time now. Mortgage rates are still historically low, home prices are rising, and the real estate market is hot. Buying also gives you more control over your living situation than renting. It's also easier to make changes that suit your needs, like painting your bedroom a fun color or landscaping the backyard. The downside of buying is that if something breaks down, like your water heater, you are on the hook for it. Additionally, buying a home is a long-term investment and requires time and effort to sell if you want to move. While waiting to purchase a home can be beneficial for many reasons, there are also some drawbacks you should be aware of. You won't know whether or not the market will soar or plummet. You may end up paying more than expected if there's a boom while waiting, or less if there's an economic downturn while waiting. Rents will only increase. A new report from Redfin shows that nationally listed rents for available apartments rose 15% from a year ago, and the median listed rent for an available apartment rose above $2,000 a month. To make your decision, review the pros and cons of homeownership, understand how market variations could impact you down the road, and thoroughly review your finances. Are you ready to buy a house? Remember, Military Home Spot Lending is an approved VA lender specializing in VA home loans. Get started on your VA loan journey here.